The Ultimate Guide for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to cryptocurrency. People who don't know much about cryptocurrencies could find them scary. This all-in-one book will give you a step-by-step introduction that will make the process less mysterious and give you the information you need to safely and responsibly explore this interesting but complicated world. Step 1. Getting a basic idea. Before getting into cryptography, it's important to have a good grasp of the basics. There is no such thing as cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that are used in transactions. They are meant to be used as a way to trade. They usually work on their own, without the help of central banks, and they use encryption to keep financial transactions safe and real. Bitcoin is a very well-known example. The technology behind blockchain is blockchain, also known as distributed ledger technology, is the technology that cryptocurrencies are constructed on. Blockchain data is a distributed, unchangeable record of transactions that is checked and safeguarded by a network of computers. Using this technology makes sure that both security and openness are guaranteed. Blockchain wallets are digital tools that let you store, send, and receive bitcoins. Cryptocurrency wallets are another name for wallets. There are numerous types of wallets, including as software wallets, which are loaded on your computer or phone, hardware wallets, which are tangible, devices that add an extra layer of security, and paper wallets, which are printed private keys. Pick a wallet that is safe enough for you and works with your level of computer knowledge. Private and public keys. Every cryptocurrency wallet has a public key, which is your wallet address, and is used to accept funds, and a private key, which is information that is kept secret and is used to approve transactions. It is very important to keep your private keys safe. If you lose them, you won't be able to get to your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online marketplaces where anyone may buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and others are some of the most well-known exchanges. Make sure that the exchange you choose is safe and trustworthy. The next step is to set up your wallet and exchange account. Pick a wallet. Pick a wallet that meets your needs for both safety and ease of use. Hardware wallets offer the most security, but software wallets are easier to use. Choose an exchange. It's vital to pick a cryptocurrency exchange that has a strong reputation, and consider its pricing, security features, and the range of coins it supports. Open accounts. Create accounts on the wallet and exchange of your choosing, and be sure to follow the security rules that are given. It is important to have a strong password and use two-factor authentication. The third step is to buy your first cryptocurrency. Check your identity. Most exchanges demand you to prove your identification in order to follow anti-money laundering (AML) rules. Put money in your account. You can put money in your exchange account by moving it from your bank account, debit or credit card, or any other means that works. To buy cryptocurrencies, first pick the one you want to buy, then follow the exchange's instructions to complete the transaction. Step 4 is to send and receive cryptocurrency. You need to give the sender your public key, which is also called your wallet address, in order to get cryptocurrency. You will need to enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's public key, which is also known as their wallet address, when you send cryptocurrency. Before completing the transaction, it is crucial to check all of the information. Doing research and making sure everything is in order. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, do a lot of research. Look at the project from all angles: the white paper, the team, the technology, and the market potential. You should look at the business's entire risk profile and only spend money that you can afford to lose without feeling bad. Because the Bitcoin market is so volatile, you could lose money. Step 6. Best practices for security. Strong passwords. Each of your accounts should have a password that is both strong and one of a kind. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Turn on 2FA to make sure that all of your accounts are as safe as possible. Safe wallet storage. It's better to save your private keys in a hardware wallet than in a digital wallet. To get the most out of the latest security patches, you need to make sure that your wallet and exchange software are always up to current. Always be on the lookout for phishing scams and never give anyone else your secret keys. This guide will give you a basic understanding of cryptocurrency. Because the market is always evolving, it's important to keep studying and stay up to date on the latest news in order to participate safely and successfully. You should remember that putting money into cryptocurrencies is very risky, and you could lose some or all of your money.